Despite being one of the best smartphones of 2024, Samsung's Galaxy S24 series lacks a cohesive design. With the launch of the Galaxy S25 series in 2025, this will alter. An photograph purporting to show fake units for the Galaxy S25 was released by leaker Ice Universe. Although they seem a lot like the finished product, they are probably mock-up units since the actual release isn't expected until early next year. Confirming the speculations that have previously been heard, the picture shows the phones from the front. In lieu of softer curves similar to those seen on the Boss and Plus models, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is foregoing the harsh edges of its predecessors. In the family lineup, the Ultra now seems more cohesive. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are rumored to be somewhat shorter, slimmer, and narrower than their predecessors, yet seeming to be relatively similar. The textured camera rings on all three cell phones cannot be confirmed just by looking at the fake units. In keeping with persistent reports, they do, however, imply the existence of smaller bezels. It is rumored that the Galaxy S25 Ultra has an asymmetric design that past leaks haven't fully captured, despite the device seeming to have flat sides similar to the other two models. Improved ergonomics for the device are predicted with this upgrade. The reduced bezels, which give the phones a sleeker look, are the most noteworthy feature of today's leak. On top of that, the design is surprisingly pleasant and cohesive. The first phones to launch with Android 15 base One UI 7 will be those from Samsung. A design mock-up showcasing a single UI 7 for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced. Samsung has confirmed that One UI 7 will launch next year with the next Galaxy S series. However, a mock-up that suggests some fascinating upcoming advancements has been revealed by an insider. Samsung is ensuring that One UI 7 will be a significant improvement over One UI 6, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a distinct front design than the S24 Ultra. The mock-up offers a glimpse of the new updates with a fast settings panel from the future release. In contrast to the crisp, not like boxy design of the S24 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have slightly rounded corners. The S24 Ultra and its angular frame were given a design option last year when the decision to go with a flat display was made. This design option could be retained for the model that comes out the following year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.